Today, June 12, 2024, marks the 126th commemoration of the Philippine Independence Day in our country. Let us look back at our yesteryears, what we were in the past and what we are today, if not with our Filipino heroes and heroine idealism for freedom. Heroes could be great and small. You and I and we can be heroes in our own simple ways. Help, save, and serve the least people around you, especially the poorest, depriving their rights as human beings. Great man once said, sometimes bad things happen when good people do nothing. Let us ponder and reflect thoughts of this simple poem of mine on Independence Day. Independence is the usual cry in every inch of the world. To have freedom in a democratic world everyone wants to uphold. Achieving sovereignty needs courage and bravery. Freedom can yield wealth and prosperity. Winning an independence in the Philippines, where our heroes and heroines lay down their lives in pain. Their strengths, valors, struggles, sweats, and blood filled the earth as an exchange of country's freedom above and underneath. Great honor and momentous memories hold them in our hearts shooting breath. No other country can compare the beauty of Filipinos' heart. Ready to die, never retreat, nor surrender in a fight. A steadfast conviction that only him and God knows the reality of his commitment and dedication for his country's vows. Live and die was his pledge of allegiance in a war to fight. A passion to fight with might. A passion to survive and live the glittering light of freedom, of victory, of pride to Filipinos with an eagle sight. Thanks to God, let the independence bring a true freedom, happiness, equality, fear-free from all disparity. To all Filipinos aspiring and enjoying for peace, worthy enough to have an independent country, a place endowed with pearl beauty and bounty. God bless us all the way. Okay.